Learn how you can stop snoring at night by using these tips. Snoring is a common problem that affects many people. There are many causes of snoring. Many people are chronic snorers while others only snore occasionally. This video can help you understand the causes of snoring and what you can do to put a stop to snoring and restore peace in your home. If you or your partner snores, it could ruin your relationship. Everyone needs sleep, and a disturbance in the middle of the night can spoil the other person's sleep. At some point, you may decide to sleep separately. While this doesn't seem particularly romantic, many people do it, and their relationship doesn't suffer at all. If you have problems with snoring during the colder winter months, consider purchasing a humidifier. If you allow the humidifier to remain on in your bedroom while you sleep, you may notice less snoring. The moisture in the air reduces congestion in your chest and reduces the breathing difficulty that can lead to snoring. To help stop snoring problems, try to avoid taking sleeping pills or other types of tranquilizing medication to help you rest. These sleep aids may help you feel more restful, but they also contribute to both snoring and sleep apnea. Some tranquilizers are even addictive and can cause health problems if overused. Take care of your allergies to alleviate snoring. Many times, snoring is caused by an allergy to dust mites, pet fur, or other allergen. The allergy can cause your nasal and throat passages to swell, leading to a rattling snore. Taking an over-the-counter medication can help, or see your doctor to find the best treatment. As previously revealed, snoring affects all kinds of people. Some people are known to snore chronically while many others may only snore under certain conditions. Use the information and useful techniques from the above video to get relief from noisy, sleepless nights and put a stop to snoring for good. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise permanently eliminates snoring as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.